Hi everyone, I am here to do an unboxing of some Dior Beauties. I love Dior for a lot of their beauty products. Actually, my skincare is a lot of Dior items, so sometimes I do indulge in the cosmetic or the bath and body, and this time I couldn't resist some of the pretty packaging. As you can see, this is the newest box. I think this is for Mother's Day, so I believe if you place it now you may still be able to get this in time for Mother's Day. But yeah, I placed 2 orders. I can't remember which one's which now because I did spread them over two different orders. So anyway, we'll get into it, and then I will also have promo codes for you. I know a lot of you love that. I love that. And so yeah, let's see what we've got. I'm gonna start with this one, and this one came in the original packaging, which is like the pebbled cardboard white box with the beautiful kind of satin ribbon. And oh, you know what? This one actually opens up like this. It's not one of those box ones. You just never know what you get. There's a little sticker here. Lovely. I have a bunch of goodies here. You can kind of see how well they're packaged here. Everything looks beautiful. I love their packaging, but I do have a lot now, so I have to be very selective in what I keep. But anyway, here we are. The first item is this lip glow oil. I'm loving this because of the beautiful, vibrant blue. This looks like ocean. It looks like just island vacation in a bottle. So this is a lip oil. It's supposed to be very moisturizing for your lips, obviously, but I found this one to be a little bit more thick than some of the other ones, some of the other lip products, such as these guys. So I got 3 of these. These are their lip maximizers, and I love, love, love their lip maximizers. They are so good. I have so many different colors. Over the years, I bought basically almost every color. The first one I think I've shown here already. I wanted to get a backup, and it's this blue color. This is called Icy Blue. I think you can kind of see that it's more pastel here compared to the first one, but it goes on clear. I'm actually wearing it right now. It goes on clear, and I've heard that it's actually supposed to, because blue, neutralize yellow. So if you have yellow teeth or something, it's supposed to. I don't know if that's really true, but I just love how it looks in the bottle. Oh my gosh, can you just, yeah, this is so gorgeous. So I had to get a backup because it is, I don't want it to like run out. I think I got this one a couple years ago, and I was like, oh my gosh, it's limited edition. I'm glad they brought it back. So here we go. The other 2 that I have here are the same. They're both Aqua Pop. So let me just show you. Aqua Pop looks like that. It reminds me of like mermaid. Do you know what I mean? I don't know. It's okay. It's like a turquoise color. This turquoise color has like very fine shimmering glitter almost on it. Wow, but it's beautiful. Yeah, this is just like a mermaid in a bottle. And I guess I could put, I'm actually very curious about this one, so I'm going to use it right now just to show you. So this, oh yeah, it looks very, very clear. So I don't think you're going to get anything too crazy blue on your lips. I don't even see glitter, so I think it's very fine, whatever it is in there, the speckle. It's beautiful. So I have a backup. You can see I already bought a backup. And then the last item that I have here is, oh my gosh, this is beautiful. I was excited about this one. So this one came in blush and a bronzer. The bronzers were sold out, but the blush I was able to get my hands on. I think they still have this available. This is limited edition. It's called Coral Glow. So I love this twaddlery. This is the fabric material on top, and then yeah, it's just so nice. Wow, look at that. Actually, this is the bronzer. Or what, like the glow, luminizing glow. The blush ones, I think, are the ones that are sold out at the moment, but look how beautiful. So I think this may be too beautiful to use, but this will look so lovely on your skin, making it glow. All right, the rest of the box is, let's see, some stickers. These are kind of raised stickers, so they're not the flat ones. They're very like cute and unique, and I don't know where I would use them, but yeah, that's lovely. And then there's the usual pouch of goodies. This one, usually you can pick a deluxe sample if you order over $100, I believe. And then there are also miniature samples, 2 per order. So I picked La Creme, which is my skincare. I also love, oh, you know how I love Lip Maximizer? Well, I love it when they give me these travel sizes. Love the pink like mini ones because they fit in my small clutches without adding bulk. So I love these. I always love getting these samples. And then I did get 2 perfume samples here. One is Dior Riviera and one's Bois Talisman. And then I also got this. Oh, this is one of the, I think, free gifts. I think this, let's see. Oh, yes. So this is, it's supposed to attach to your cell phone. So you have a little like loop right there. And then it has these like beads and it says Dior right there. I don't know if you can see that. It's kind of turned, but you can see Dior right there. And then it has like hearts and, or not hearts, stars, circles. But it's really, really nice. Does my phone actually have one of these things? Yeah, I don't see, it may be right here. Maybe if I wanted to put it right here. So essentially, once it's hooked on, you can carry your phone like just with your wrist and your phone just hangs from it. So it's kind of like an extra protection, like you don't drop it by accident kind of thing. All right, I did manage to put it on my phone. So I kind of hooked it there to the case. So that means now if I just I mean, obviously I can talk on it, but then I can hands-free it if I wanted to. I don't know how useful this is for me, but it's fine. I will give it a try and see. All right, the last thing in this box, there's a box within a box. A lot of tissue paper. What is this? Oh, it's a pouch. So I did use a promo code. Like I said, I will list all promo codes that I found in the description box below if you're interested. This one is, oh, this, I remember this one. This one's really cute. This one's like a little jelly bean, like not little, huge, almost, oh no, Mentos. So it looks like this. It's like silicone material and it has CD right here. It feels like silicone plastic in here. It's made of, yep, 100% silicone body. So yeah, I don't know what I put in here. I think this is great for like the beach, honestly, because I don't think it's waterproof, but if you get water on it, it will definitely like protect a lot of your items inside. It is cute. I can see myself putting like earbuds in here. It's just big enough to do that. But yeah, it has a little cute little charm. I could see myself putting this in my beach bag actually. Yeah. So with all of these promo codes, there are many different ones. Just know that there are restrictions. So you may have to be signed into an account. It's free to join. And then you may also have to spend a minimum. So some of them it's like, you know, no minimum. Some is like 100. I'll put all of the details in the description box below. So this box is the special Mother's Day box. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. It's actually on. Sometimes they, like one year, they just stuck things on of their box. This one's actually like printed and it's got this like gilded, you know, kind of gold thing. Oh, beautiful. Let's see what we got inside. I love the roses. All right, so again, we have this sample pouch, which has basically probably the same thing, honestly. Okay, what else do I have in here? I'm actually gonna put this down and then show you one by one, or 2 at a time. These are both the same thing. These are the Forever Skin Contour, and they are sticks, so like foundation sticks. They, I ordered in 2 colors. One is in medium, 03, and one is a neutral 2N. They look like this. It's got the cool like canage pattern right there, but it's not, it's like an oval, it's not circle, and you kind of twist up. Oh, they're like notches, so notch and notch. So they are to contour. They're not meant to be like foundation. I guess you could use it that way. You just got to get a lighter one. But yeah, you can like create contours with this stick and then blend it out. So that's this one. And then the other one, which is the neutral. Well, this one was the one I just showed you. You can see that it's actually matte right here at the body, but this one, the neutral one, is shiny. It's because this one is a contour, so it's like matted matted. I don't know why matte signifies its contour, versus this one, which is the shiny container. It still does the same thing. It notches like this and it's oval, as you can see, but this one's a foundation stick, so you can see that this one's way closer to my skin tone. They all have like a range of colors, so you can kind of take a look at which ones work for you. I'm gonna kind of give this a try, I think, and let you know, but I'm pretty sure this will be fine for me. What else did I get? Oh, I got a lip maximizer again. Like I said, I collect basically all of the colors. This one is in Pink Mania. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. It is in this iridescent pink. I already have that mermaid color on, so I cannot put this on right now, but I definitely, wow, it's so pretty. I have to try this. All right, so the thing that is remaining left in here is this. This is the free gift pouch. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. This I saw just on their website, and I remember thinking, wow, that is so, I don't even know how you, like, whimsical beauty. It has these like the blush colors I like, the gold, butterflies, flowers, and it's in this like mesh material, so you can actually kind of see through it. So let me put my hand in there. So you kind of see through it. It's not meant to be anything like super durable, but I think for the summertime, this is so good. And oh, I think it's going to be too pretty for me to use, honestly, but I love it. I got this one with a promo code. So again, I will list it below so that you can take advantage of it. Keep in mind, they do run out of stock. So if you're interested, then definitely hop onto it. I think this is part of their Mother's Day kind of celebration collection. So hence why this one very much looks like this box, right? This is the box that I came in. So yeah, look, oh my gosh, they have gift sets as well. So I'll list some of the gift sets that I think one of the gift sets include this. So you don't even need a promo code, it's just part of the gift set. It'll be a very lovely gift for whoever, you know? I would love to receive this gift. I mean, I already have one, but you know what I mean? Yeah, it's so good. All right, guys, so it is a quick unboxing video. I wanted to get this up before, you know, the promo codes are gone or things are sold out. So I will definitely list everything I mentioned here with links below so you can get to them quickly. And I will also list a bunch of different promo codes that I found as well. So good luck. If you have any additional codes that I did not list below that you think we should all know about, then leave it in the comments below as well. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.